Sacramento Tax Resolution can help cool things down. Dealing with liens or wage garnishments can be stressful, right? Sacramento Tax Resolution is here to lift that weight off your shoulders. They treat you with dignity, respect, and the understanding you deserve. They'll sit down with you, get the full picture, help you set up manageable payment plans, and guide you toward the most suitable tax relief options. Don't let tax problems dominate your life. If you're suffering from tax problems with the IRS and owe back taxes, penalties, and interest, contact Sacramento Tax Resolution now. Call 916-481-1025. That's 916-481-1025. If tax worries are keeping you up all night, call Sacramento Tax Resolution. Take the first step toward financial freedom today. Dial 916-481-1025. Sacramento Tax Resolution. Get help for your IRS tax problems.
Have you heard? There's a new chicken town. Juicy, fresh, and delicious Redbird Farms chicken. For more than 70 years, Redbird Farms has specialized in humanely raised, antibiotic-free, and vegetarian-fed chicken. And now it's finally made its way to the Golden State. Find our juicy chicken burgers, tender party wings, fresh and flavorful chicken breasts, and more at your local Save Mart and Lucky, California. Grill it, fry it, put it in farm. As long as you make it Redbird Farms.
Fires are becoming more unpredictable, and charged soil is increasing our risk for flooding. Knowing your flood risk builds resilience, and having flood insurance gets you disaster ready. Visit floodsmart.com/wildfires to get ready and stay resilient.
During the 2023 Subaru Shares a Love event at Mega Subaru Sacramento, find great financing, big savings, plus a 2-season passes to Sierra at Tahoe with the purchase of any new Mega Subaru. Subaru will donate $250 to charity. Learn more at megasubaru.com.
Live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app for local news, breaking news, traffic, and weather. News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Good evening. It is 6:30. I'm Steve Telliano. It's Kitty O'Neill with the KFCK Afternoon News. Here are the stories now trending. Thousands have left California looking for greener pastures. Now, some thousands are moving back in a new trend. I'll tell you about that. A massive retail crime bust in California is bringing back over $9 million in stolen goods, and researchers are linking dementia with hearing loss. I'll tell you, those two are connected. Right now, though, time to check traffic. The KFPK 24-hour traffic watch. Here is Dana Head.
Thank you so much, and I have to give the traffic watch back at the end of the shift, you know. Brought to you by Discover, and right now, we've got a lot of good news for you there on westbound Cap City. It is just a little slow there coming in from Arden to the river, but it is starting to clear up there, and it is also starting to clear up westbound on 80 from the split out to Childs. We had an earlier accident out there, had times out to about 45 minutes. Now it's getting a lot better, so closer to 25 minutes. But yeah, that is improvement, believe it or not. If you like using debit over credit, shouldn't you also get rewarded? Well, now you can with Discover Cashback Debit. It's a checking account that rewards everyone with cash back on everyday purchases with no fees, period. Check out eligibility and terms at discover.com/cashbackdebit. Discover Bank, member FDIC. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. Stay ahead. KFPK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Now here's your KFPK weather forecast.
Tonight will be cloudy most of the time. We'll see a nighttime low of 41 to 45. Thanksgiving Day tomorrow, mostly sunny. Tomorrow's high 68 to 72. Friday, plenty of sunshine. Friday's high 64 to 68. I'm AccuWeather's Drew Shannon on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Currently 57 degrees in Sacramento. KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio. Our top national story this hour. A temporary ceasefire between Israel and Hamas will have a delayed start by 1 day.
CBS News.
Truce is expected to last for at least 4 days, with Israel saying it could be extended as long as 10 hostages are freed each day after that. Now here's KFPK's Jensen Rader with more news.
Steve, California lost about 102,000 residents to Texas in 2021 to 2022. The new data from the U.S. Census Bureau is showing that California gained more residents from Texas than from any other state, coming in around 42,000, many moving to the Bay Area. Abby Race is a senior research manager with the Bay Area Council Economic Institute, speaking to CBS News.
We're definitely still losing more people than we're gaining, but it's
Parking. She says the shift is likely caused by those moving back from Texas who went there during the pandemic with remote work.
you know, the strict enforcement from employers working in office in person at least some of the time or full time was a major contributor. And it's not just workers returning, it's new jobs being created in some of these burgeoning industries like AI.
She credits the Silicon Valley's reputation as being the epicenter of new tech. As Americans take ready to head out and shop, a big retail factory has been busted in Southern California. Supporting
Parking.
Alex Stone, who's reporting from Los Angeles.
Taking part in a large-scale theft range, stealing items from big box retailers. When search warrants were carried out this week, the CHP finding over $9.5 million worth of stolen stuff allegedly linked to them. Shoes, clothing, electronics. And Revelorio is allegedly connected to another ring that netted another $9 million worth of stuff earlier this year. Alex Stone, ABC News, Los Angeles.
In 300
A new
feet,
study
parking.
finds that using the stress from hearing loss can reduce the risk of dementia. KCK's John Fink has details.
The UCSD study found people struggling with hearing impairment experienced changes in the areas of their brains related to speech and language processing, as well as areas involved with executive function. The findings revealed methods such as hearing aids, using captions on TV, and avoiding conversations in loud environments can help stave off. John Fink, KSBK, Sacramento.